Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that we all deal with but sometimes overlook, our mental wellness. In 2024, life is busier than ever, but taking care of your mental health is essential. In this video, I'll share 5 simple practices that you can start today to reduce stress and anxiety. Let's start with number 1. Mindful breathing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to calm your mind. The 4-7-8 technique is one of my favorites. Here's how you do it. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale slowly for 8. Repeat this a few times when you're feeling overwhelmed. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps you relax. Number 2, limit your social media usage. Social media can often be a source of anxiety, comparison, and information overload. Try taking regular digital detoxes even if it's just for a few hours a day. Instead, focus on activities that bring you joy offline, like reading, cooking, or spending time with loved ones. Number 3, practice gratitude daily. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple act shifts your focus from stressors to the positive things in your life. Studies have shown that regular gratitude practice can significantly reduce anxiety and improve your overall mood. Number 4 is all about movement. You don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights to feel better. Light exercise like yoga, stretching, or even a 10-minute walk can do wonders for your mental health. Exercise releases endorphins, which naturally reduce stress and anxiety, leaving you feeling more balanced. And finally, number 5, create a calming evening routine. Whether it's drinking herbal tea, reading a book, or taking a warm bath, winding down before bed helps your body and mind prepare for restful sleep. Quality sleep is key to mental wellness, and a peaceful evening routine can significantly lower stress levels. So there you have it. 5 simple practices you can start today to reduce stress and anxiety. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as your physical health, and these small changes can have a big impact over time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little peace in their life. Comment below if you have any other mental wellness practices that work for you. I'd love to hear them. See you in the next one, and until then, stay calm, stay healthy, and stay kind to yourself.